In today's energy markets, let's take a look at WTI crude futures today as they're realizing a little hesitation here today. They're down on the session, giving up about 0.5%. But after 2 strong days, we are just off the recent 2-year highs and currently right around the 65.55 level. Looking at some of the factors playing into maybe why we're seeing some moderation here today. Number one, the dollar has rebounded today after some selling pressure. We're seeing for the time being, bouncing back up to 91.8. So a little bit of strength there could be factored in today, possibly when you look at the WTI crude futures. Number two, the rig counts or the data points. Now, the rig counts came in down 1 week over week. So we are seeing a slowing of that trend that had been pretty strong for the last several months, starting to moderate here the last couple of weeks. So rig counts actually decreased by 1 week over week in the oil sector. Also, probably just as important or maybe more important, the EIA weekly production numbers. And now they're showing an increase of 900,000 barrels per day, week over week in U.S. production. That could be a bigger factor here today, why we're seeing maybe a little bit of hesitation. Now, looking at the energy space as a whole, WTI continues to hold up here at the top end of the 2-year range, but natural gas is coming under further selling pressure here today. Natural gas down on the session, right around 2.60. That's the lowest level really for the last month and a half. You have to go back to end of January to see natural gas futures trading at these levels. So there's quite a divergence here between natural gas futures and WTI futures in the last several weeks.